Hey there, fellow bike enthusiasts. Today, we're going to take a look my CD 70 bike, which got a little dirty in the rain, but fear not, because I got it serviced, and now we have a video showcasing the bike before and after the service. Before the service, the bike was covered in dirt and grime, making it look less than pristine. But with a little TLC, it's now sparkling clean and ready to hit the road. So let's take a moment to appreciate the transformation of my CD70 bike. It's amazing what a little maintenance can do to revitalize your ride. Thank you for joining me on this journey. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more bike related content. Until next time, happy riding.